Bob. My name's Jim Bob. And I'm Mary Ann. And we're the Pilgrims. Do, 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 do. Here comes the bride. Here comes the bride. Da, 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 da. Do you, Pilgrim man, take Pilgrim lady with the pumpkin to be your lawfully wedded wife?
I do.
Do you, Pilgrim lady, take Skirt boy to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I do.
You may now kiss the bride. Once upon a time, there was a pilgrim who enjoyed pumpkins. She grew a pumpkin that was so large, it was the largest in the world. Then, one day, a giant turkey ate the pumpkin.
Oh no!
Then the giant turkey ate the lady.
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Then giant turkeys took over the world.
Gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble.
Once upon a time, there was a pilgrim man who wore a dress. With his instrument, he thought he could kill the giant turkey who ate his wife. May she rest in pieces. One day, he ventured off to look for the turkey. He was walking, waddling. Oh, there's the turkey, right next to me. Let me beat it with my instrument. The turkey it was...
Gobble, gobble. Oh no! Oh no!
It was very... Oh, then they took a break. Now they're back at it again. Can't really tell who's winning. Oh, turkey's on top. He used his flight. Turkeys fly.
I think so.
He used his wings.
Help me.
The man lost. There he lay with his wife in pieces. Turkeys still take over the world. Do 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 do. Reunited and it felt so good. Go.
Hey there, pretty little girl with your long brown sexy hair. You a hottie body tight. Good God almighty.
Son, hold up. You better slow your roll.